Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to add new fonts to Android phones. So first you just have to simply look for your phone settings. You can swipe down and then tap on the gear icon to find the settings here on your Android phone. Now here on your Android phone, what you're going to do next is you have to simply scroll down and you have to look for a display. So it's sometimes different, but in my case, in my Android, I can find this font inside it is display and brightness. So I have to scroll down here and then look for fonts, tap this one. And then here I can find latest fonts or free fonts. I can find it right here. So if I go to free, then or latest, I can find from any of this. I just have to click and then download or install. For free, I can also find any font that I want. For example, this one. Now tap on install. Wait for a couple of seconds. If I want to apply this, then or use this one, then I can click apply. Then I should see the result right away. Now, if you're not satisfied or if you want to change, then you can now go back. You can go to latest or free and look for the specific font that you want to install to your Android. You can search it right here. And once you found it, just click the name of that font. And then it's the same thing. You just have to simply install it and then apply this font to your phone. It will change the phone's font right away like this one. So this is how simple it is to add new fonts to Android phone. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.